Have you ever found yourself overwhelmed by digital clutter? Lost in a sea of notes, tasks, and projects? So you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a digital showdown, Evernote versus Notion. Which app is the ultimate productivity powerhouse? Let's be real. Choosing the right note-taking app can feel like selecting your digital soulmate. It's a personal decision that can significantly impact your workflow. So, grab your favorite beverage, and let's explore the pros and cons of these two popular contenders. Section 1. Evernote. The classic. Core features. Note-taking versatility. Text, images, audio, attachments. Tagging and searching. Efficient organization. Notebooks and stacks. Hierarchical structure. Web clipper. Save web content directly. Offline access. Stay productive on the go. Strengths. User-friendly interface. Easy to pick up. Robust ecosystem. Integrations with other tools. Great for personal note-taking and journaling. Weaknesses. Can become cluttered with unstructured notes. Limited customization options for note formatting. Not ideal for complex project management. Section 2. Notion. The modern all-in-one. Core features. Databases. Organize information in tables and views. Pages. Create interconnected documents. Templates. Quick start for various projects. Collaboration. Work with others in real time. Customization. Build custom workflows and interfaces. Strengths. Powerful for project management and knowledge bases. Highly customizable to fit your unique needs. Excellent for collaborative teams. Weaknesses. Steep learning curve for beginners. Can be overwhelming with too many features. Less intuitive for simple note-taking. Section 3. Feature comparison. Note-taking. Evernote. Strong for personal notes and journaling. Notion. Versatile for various note types, but can be more complex. Organization. Evernote. Tagging and notebooks for efficient organization. Notion. Databases and pages for flexible structuring. Collaboration. Evernote. Basic collaboration features. Notion. Robust collaboration tools for teams. Customization. Evernote. Limited customization options. Notion. Highly customizable to match your workflow. Section 4. Use cases. Student. Evernote. Great for class notes, assignments, and research. Notion. Useful for project planning, group work, and knowledge bases. Professional. Evernote. Ideal for personal note-taking, meeting minutes, and task lists. Notion. Excellent for project management, knowledge bases, and team collaboration. Freelancer. Evernote. Suitable for client notes, project proposals, and time tracking. Notion. Powerful for client management, project planning, and content calendars. Pros and cons recap. Evernote. User-friendly. Great for personal note-taking. Limited customization. Notion. Powerful for project management. Highly customizable. Steep learning curve. Choosing the right app. Consider your specific needs and preferences. Try both apps to see which one feels more natural. Don't be afraid to experiment and switch if needed. Final thoughts. Ultimately, the best app is the one that helps you stay organized and productive. Both Evernote and Notion have their strengths and weaknesses. Choose the app that aligns with your workflow and goals. Have you tried Evernote or Notion? Share your experiences in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy note-taking.